There is still no sign when, or on the other hand if, the 35 million alleged trailblazers who mine on the Pi organization are truly going to profit from their coins. Starting around the 4th of January 2023, still no coins authoritatively are being exchanged. The organization's mainnet has not been sent off, and there have been no exchanges or fiat rewards. This makes it challenging to lay out the value of Pi coin. It is vital to recognize Pi organization's coin from the Pi organization DEFI token, which runs on the Binance blockchain and is accessible for exchanging on the PancakeSwap decentralized trade. What is Pi organization and how can it function? For those considering Pi organization as a likely speculation, what follows is an outline of what the Pi organization intends to accomplish and how Pi cost assumptions have arisen before a solitary coin has been exchanged. What is Pi organization? Pi organization is a computerized cash project that expects to keep digital money mining open, as the centralization of original monetary forms like Bitcoin has put mining them past the scope of numerous ordinary clients. The Pi organization, created by a group of Stanford College graduates, empowers clients to mine Pi cryptographic money coins utilizing work area and cell phone applications, approving exchanges on a disseminated record, not at all like hubs on organizations. For example, Bitcoin that utilization confirmation of work conventions. Pi hubs utilize a calculation in light of the Heavenly Agreement Convention. Pi hubs approve exchanges on a circulated record and arrive at an agreement on the request for new exchanges that the record records. Under SCP, Pi hubs structure security circles, or gatherings, of 3 to 5 believed individuals known to every one of the organization's clients. Security circles construct a worldwide trust network that forestalls fake exchanges, as exchanges must be approved on the common record in the event that the believed hubs endorse them. The Pi mining application goes about as a cryptographic money wallet, connected to a client's cell phone number or Facebook account. Likewise with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will permit outside wallets to hold Pi coins and submit exchanges straightforwardly to the blockchain. In any case, dissimilar to other blockchains, its engineers have not yet delivered its source code, with marking in light of the numerical consistent P. Stage 1 of the task sent off on Pi Day, 14 Walk 2019, with a free Pi mining application. By June, the organization had in excess of 100,000 dynamic clients. After a year, when Stage 2 sent off, there were more than 3.5 million clients. The application began running notices in May 2020 to give a wellspring of funding to the venture. On 15 Walk 2022, the Pi organization reported its client base had moved to 33 million, over 2 times the 14 million clients in Walk 2021. As with other cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, Pi was intended to go through standard dividing to safeguard its shortage. Dividing is the point at which the quantity of coins a digger gets for handling new exchanges is decreased significantly. This normally happens when a specific achievement is reached. Pi's mining rate divided from 1.6p to 0.8p an hour when it arrived at 100,000 clients, split again to 0.4p an hour when it arrived at 1 million, and split again to 0.2p when it arrived at 10 million clients. The prizes will keep on splitting, arriving at 0 when the organization arrives at 1 billion clients. In November 2021, the improvement group began delivering tech and item refreshes. These incorporated its pilot Know Your Client application and Block Voyager. The KYC application pilot, having been tried with local area mediators, was sent on a restricted premise to begin the most common way of checking pioneers and to work on the application's ease of use and machine mechanization. The Pi Block Traveler, which assists pioneers with seeing the exchange history and investigate exchange information like shipper, beneficiary, and sum, was additionally sent. The Pi wallet was likewise refreshed, empowering the engineers to make message pop-ups to caution pioneers when they get an installment on the blockchain, and fixing a bug for Android clients who couldn't see their wallet passphrase. Pi organization sent off an encased mainnet on the 28th of December 2021 to keep testing in front of its full send-off. It likewise presented another mining instrument and foundation to give spearheads a recreation of the impending mining equation. The KYC application was at first sent off to a couple thousand pilot members for testing, with 100 trailblazers allowed per nation or district. The encased organization time frame implies that the mainnet is live yet with a firewall that forestalls any undesirable outer network. Trailblazers will actually want to set aside some margin to KYC and relocate their Pi to the live mainnet blockchain. Any equilibrium relocated to the mainnet can be utilized, by the decision of the trailblazer, to buy labor and products in Pi applications, move to different trailblazers, or get secured for a span of time for a higher mining rate. On Pi Day last year, the improvement group declared 2 additional updates: the rollout of a mass KYC arrangement, and another Pi mining component that permits more different mining rewards. These activities might actually improve the worth to sponsors. The engineers said that they were carrying out KYC for a huge scope to qualified clients on the 16th of March. What is the fate of Pi coin? Presently, banter go on concerning whether Pi organization is a benevolent drive or a trick. On the off chance that it is a trick, it's anything but a conventional one in the style of a Ponzi conspire. As clients are not putting away their cash, they are effective financial planning time on their cell phones. The association has been censured for supposedly taking advantage of its local area by promoting to arrive at these 35 million clients. That figure comes from a declaration the stage made on Twitter on the 19th of May 2022. There have been no reports with respect to the complete number of trailblazers since. Nonetheless, early adopters are collecting the Pi crypto in expectation that the cost will rise pointedly after the organization goes live. Albeit the coin's mining rate has been diminished by dividing. Clients can expand their mining rate by interfacing with other dynamic diggers. New clients can join the Pi organization in the event that they have a reference code from another client. The task's engineers guarantee that security on the Pi organization is upgraded by these individual organizations, empowering clients to get loved ones, which has fueled suspicion that it very well may be a staggered showcasing or fraudulent business model. In any case, it is important that clients can procure coins from their own immediate organizations, and not from their associations' organizations, likewise with a MLM plot. Pi organization has kept on demanding it isn't running an underlying coin offering or crowdfunding deal, and coins that can be mined on the encased mainnet as of now stay in the biological system. On 11/2022, the engineers said that the encased organization period would give pioneers time to elapse KYC check, change the mainnet, and add more applications. They didn't say when the organization will become open, just that the encased organization time frame is in accordance with Pi's vision of a utility-based environment and its iterative way of thinking. While the cost of Pi presently can't seem to be laid out, a few digital currency onlookers and calculation-based sites have proactively endeavored to make Pi crypto cost forecasts. We should investigate what the Pi cost could be the point at which it begins exchanging, in view of data from crypto figure and observing sites. In 2021, the last option site's Pi organization cost expectation for 2025 last demonstrated a likely cost of 2 cents, showing conceivable development all through 2023 and 2024. It then, at that point, anticipated the token could cost 3 cents in 2028. In any case, neither one of the sites is as of now giving a Pi cost expectation. However, both have postings for the Pi organization DEFI coin. Truth be told, no calculation-based figure site is at present giving out a Pi digital currency esteem expectation. Accordingly, any Pi organization cost expectation for 2023 and onwards, up to Pi organization cost expectations for 2030, would be exceptionally speculative. The Pi coin esteem in 2030 could rely upon when the cryptographic money goes live for exchanging and how well it performs after the send-off. Gauges from certain clients via virtual entertainment range from $1 to many dollars. It is vital to remember that digital currency markets remain very unpredictable.